Good morning, everyone. My name is Vedia Sulazo. I hope we all are having an amazing week. Hope the week has been a fruitful one. Hope the week has been a pleasant one. So today I'll be continuing on the topic I started yesterday, which is called behave yourself. Okay. If all you do all day long is watch TV, watch football, watch your favorite TV series, and your goal for this year is not to become a newscaster or a footballer or an actress, then I don't know what you are up to. Let me repeat that again. If all you do all day long is watch football, watch the news, or watch your favorite TV series, and your goal for this year is not to become a footballer, a newscaster, or an actress, then it's not that you don't have productive things to do to help you. It's just that you have bad habits of getting further away from your goals. I know one of us, I know most of us have our goals set for this year already. Maybe you want to achieve a kind of thing this year. But then, if all you do is sit in front of the TV, then you're not deceiving anybody, you're just deceiving yourself. And you know that bad news, constant bad news, it has a way of creating anxiety in us as humans. But then all you do is stay tuned to the news channel, listen to all the bad news happening in Nigeria, all the bad news happening in the world. Then how are you going to achieve your goals this year? How are you going to achieve your goal this year? If there is discrepancy between your goal, between what you say and what you do, then obviously I'm going to believe what you do. Because okay, fine, if you say you want to quit cheating, then all you do is flirt with girls, then I'm going to believe that flirting with girls. If you say that you want to quit drinking, then all you post on social media are bottles of beer. Do you think I'm going to believe that you quit drinking? No. If all you do is if you say that your family are your top priority and they are not in your busy schedule, that means they really are not. Really. So what I'm going to do for me today is that you are going to set 3 goals you want to achieve this year. Don't think you still can't achieve your goal with the bad news and everything happening in Nigeria, all the bad news happening in Nigeria and around the world this time around. May God help us all. So get a little notebook. Write 3 goals you want to achieve this year. The year is still ripe, so you can still achieve your goals. Write 3 goals you want to achieve this year. And write all the bad habits that will be sabotaging you achieving those goals. After that, write all the things that you can do that can move you closer to your goals. Instead of sitting in front of the TV all day long, I'm not saying you shouldn't watch TV, but don't sit there all day long. I'm not saying you shouldn't watch the news. You can watch the news, but don't sit there all day long, attracting all kind of bad news to yourself. It makes one anxious every time. When you listen to bad news all the time, you just give up on the world. You'll be like, with all this bad news that is happening here and there, you give up on your own goal. When your goal this year is not to become a newscaster, why listen to the news all day long? Some people, they know so much about football that you will almost advise them to quit their career and be a footballer. But then they don't want to be a footballer, but they know so much about football and the careers of the people that are playing the football as if no, they are planning on becoming a footballer sooner or later in their lifetime. So what you're going to do now is that after writing those goals you want to achieve this year, and after writing the bad habits that will be sabotaging you from achieving those goals, and after writing the things that are going to help you achieve those goals, it's not writing those bad habits doesn't mean you should be judgmental or doesn't mean you should be judgmental or being regretful about all the things you've done that are bad, that are not moving you closer to your goals. But it is to clear out the bad habits. It is to clear out the bad things you've been doing so that you can plant new ones in your life that will help you achieve your goals. Okay? So have a pleasant day and see you tomorrow. Make sure you write those goals down. Write out the bad things that are sabotaging it and write out the things that are going to be. And okay, last one. Make sure you exercise. Instead of sitting all day long in front of the TV, exercise, do something fun. Exercise your body. Listen to instructional and motivational videos. Like, okay, watch motivational videos in the sense that some people have achieved these things, even with the bad news everywhere in the world, but they still could achieve it Watch their stories, listen to their story, listen to how they've done it and they've done it. Spend more time with your family, laugh with them and play with them. So have a pleasant day and see you tomorrow. Make sure you click the like button, subscribe and share if this pleases you. Bye. Salam alaikum. Have a pleasant day.